Okay, so this is going to be, I guess, the second part of the homework video. I'm going to continue where I left off, which was number 5. All right, number 5, we have -4 times 2 and 1 over 6. So remember, if you just have an integer, you can put it over 1 to make it look like a fraction. And I'm going to convert this mixed number into a non-mixed number. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So it's going to be 13 all over 6. So that's the 13 over 6. That's -4 over 1. Then we'll break everything down. I can break down a 4 into a 2 times 2. 13 stays. It's prime. Can't really break that one down. 1, and I can break the 6 down into 2 times 3. Okie doke. Cancel time. 2 with 2. Let me close my door. Give me a second. Alright. I canceled those 2's out. This 2 doesn't have any corresponding 2's on the bottom, and this 13 in the numerator has nothing in the denominator either. So that's about it in terms of canceling things out. So what do I have left with? A negative times a 13, so -13 over 1 times 3. That's 3. Of course, I can convert that into a mixed number, the proper fraction. I'm not going to. You're more than welcome to. You don't have to. 6, 3, and 1 over 5 times 2 over 3. Converting this into a mixed number. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 16 over 5. 2 over 3. That's a 5. 16, I can break that down into 2 times, did I do this problem correctly? Yeah, 2 times 8 times 2. Here I have 5 times 3. There's really nothing I can cancel out? That's a shame. Yep, nothing to cancel out. Oh well. So back to 16 times 2, which is 32 over 15. Oh well, nothing to cancel out there. Kind of disappointed. Anyways, that's the answer. There's nothing to cancel out, just multiply across. 16 times 2, 5 times 3, get your answer. You're done. Number 7. Decimals. 0.02 times a -4.62. First, I want to figure out how many, my sign. Positive times negative, negative. Figure out how many numbers I have after the decimal. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 4 total, 2 plus 2. Then I'm going to pretend that I'm going to multiply non-decimals. So 2 times 462. And you can do the whole long multiplication off the top of my head. 2 times 400, that's 800. That's 120, that's 4. So 924. Hopefully I'm right. I don't want to embarrass myself, but too lazy to get a calculator. Okay, so that the reason it's negative because I figured out my sign was negative ahead of time, and I owe this problem 4 decimal places because there were 4 numbers after the decimal that I got rid of. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is a -0.0924. Yay. Number 8, fingerprint. -0.41 times a -8.5. First of all, figure out your sign. Negative times negative. It's going to be a positive, or you don't have to write anything. I'm just doing that for emphasis. How many numbers after the decimal? 1, 2, 3 in total. 2 plus 1. I'm pretending that no decimals exist. I'm also ignoring the sign since I already figured that one out. 41 times 85. This one I'm not going to do in my head because I really don't want to embarrass myself. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Yes. Yes. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So, that's 5. Sorry, it's kind of small. 8, 4, 3. I'm going to write that right here a little bigger. 3, 4, 8, 5. My multiplication was correct. Looks correct. I owe the problem 3 decimal places in order to figure out my sign ahead of time. 1, 2, 3. So the final answer is 3.485. And that's it. All problems worked out. This is going to be uploaded over the weekend if you did it. So if you literally watched this video and you filled in the homework, I'm going to come around on Monday and give you a dojo point. If you haven't, which means you haven't watched this video, I'm going to show this video in class. You'll be able to fill it in there, but you won't get the dojo points. So yay you who are watching this video at home, and boo to you who didn't do your homework on Monday. Signing off. Have a great weekend.